Welcome back to Auto Big 4 Update, your go-to source for the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2025 Cadillac CT4, a car that blends luxury, performance, and innovative technology into a sleek, modern package. Cadillac has once again raised the bar in the compact luxury sedan segment, and this year's model is packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. The 2025 CT4 showcases a more refined design, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that give it a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. Cadillac's signature vertical lighting elements remain intact, ensuring the CT4 maintains its distinct identity on the road. The new alloy wheel designs and refreshed color options add a fresh touch, making this car a true head-turner from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 Cadillac CT4 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 237 horsepower, providing a responsive and smooth driving experience. For those craving more power, there's the optional 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, which cranks out up to 325 horsepower in the CT4V trim. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, the CT4 offers seamless gear changes and an exhilarating ride whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Inside the cabin, Cadillac has prioritized both comfort and cutting-edge technology. The interior features premium materials like soft-touch leather, real wood trims, and a more driver-centric cockpit. The new 33-inch diagonal LED display, borrowed from Cadillac's more luxurious models, now integrates infotainment and driver information into one intuitive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with the premium AKG audio system that transforms the car into a personal concert hall. Safety has also received significant attention in the 2025 CT4. Cadillac's Super Cruise technology, one of the most advanced hands-free driving systems, is available, making long-distance driving more convenient and less stressful. The car also includes advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system to provide an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2025 Cadillac CT4 delivers a balanced and engaging experience. The rear-wheel drive platform provides sporty handling, while the available all-wheel drive system offers enhanced stability in various road conditions. Cadillac's magnetic ride control ensures the suspension adapts to the road in real time, offering both a smooth ride for daily commutes and sharp, responsive handling for spirited drives. The 2025 Cadillac CT4 is the perfect car for those who appreciate luxury without the excessive price tag, those who want performance without compromise, and anyone who loves driving a car that turns heads wherever it goes. With a competitive starting price and an array of trims and options, Cadillac continues to make luxury more accessible to a wider audience. Thanks for tuning into Auto Big 4 Update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest car news and reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Cadillac CT4. Would you choose it over its German competitors? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.